Hello again. Today is one of those infrequent occasions when I am going to read some of my own poetry on this channel. My poems tend to be fairly short, so I'm going to read three. The first of them is called Genesis, and it has an epigraph from Leonard Cohen's song The Future. I've seen the future, brother, it is murder. God was not pleased with Cain, who offered grains and fruit, preferred Abel, animal sacrifice. Cain said, "You want blood? I'll give you blood," slashing his scythe into his brother's head. In that divine displeasure, in Cain's blow, swords stabbed, machine guns chattered, soldiers fell, the day of wrath began. From anger, fire. From fire, the first light. In fire, Troy burned, heretics burned, witches burned. 1,000 suns blazed above Hiroshima, light enough to see, or maybe to blind us. And the second one is called Ringtone. I wrote this in 2016, and it's a true story of something that happened when I was visiting my bank, Ringtone. In need of advice about money, I went to my bank, a high street name, big, multinational, lots of people there, staff, customers, they too were multinational. My phone sat in my pocket, out of sight, forgotten, till someone called, and it erupted with the Internationale. Stand up, all victims of oppression, for the tyrants fear your might. Maybe the best advice we could have had. If you're wondering, no, they didn't. Not yet, anyway. And the third one is called Witness to the Truth. How many shades of grey? So many you can't count. None without black, without white. In light, every colour. In darkness, sounds at night. Whispers we miss by day. What bees see, bats hear, we don't. We hear the truth, we see what's there, and so do they.